Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Dodge Durango Concept stands as a testament to innovation, embodying a harmony of power, luxury, and advanced technology. This vehicle isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. Exterior design. Step by step, the Durango boasts a commanding front fascia with a sharp grille and LED headlights that illuminate the road like a lighthouse guiding a ship. The sleek lines along the sides, complemented by 22-inch alloy wheels, convey elegance and strength. The rear, with its modern LED taillights and dual exhausts, leaves a lasting impression. Pros: eye-catching and aerodynamic. Cons: limited customization options. Interior design and dashboard. Step into a cabin of refinement, with leather seats offering supreme comfort. The dashboard, adorned with a 15-inch touchscreen, integrates navigation and entertainment seamlessly. Ambient lighting and a digital cluster redefine sophistication. Pros: high-tech and luxurious. Cons: may feel overwhelming for some. Performance. Under the hood, the Durango offers a robust V8 engine producing 450 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. The all-wheel drive ensures stability, even on challenging terrains. Pros: exceptional speed and handling. Cons: high fuel consumption. Technical features and comfort. Electric folding mirrors, a spare tire, and a durable jack ensure preparedness. With a warranty of 5 years, covering most issues, avoid unauthorized modifications to maintain it. Price and competitors. With a starting price of $65,000, it competes with the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Explorer. However, its blend of luxury and power sets it apart. Summary: the 2025 Dodge Durango Concept is perfect for those seeking luxury with performance. A vehicle for both family trips and thrilling rides, it outshines rivals with its innovative features and commanding presence.